Ever pondered on the fascinating world of private investigators? Or perhaps considered becoming one yourself? This video will escort you through the intriguing labyrinth of private investigation. To kick things off, we'll delve into the powers you wield as a private investigator. The authority you have might surprise you. It's not all about sneaking around in a trench coat and fedora. No, it's much more than that. It involves the power of observation, deduction, and often, the power to change lives. Next, we'll explore the types of equipment a private investigator employs. From state-of-the-art surveillance gadgets to everyday tools, each piece of equipment has its unique role in the world of investigation. We'll also touch on the necessary accessories every investigator should have in their toolkit. Then we'll dissect the pay structure. This can be a career you jump into for the money, but it certainly doesn't hurt to understand the earning potential. From hourly rates to flat fees, we'll break it down. Ever wondered why private investigators are necessary? We'll answer that too. In a world where information is power, private investigators hold a unique position. They are the seekers, the finders, the discoverers. We'll also delve into the nitty-gritty of equipment specifications. Knowing your tools is half the battle won. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions on what works best for your investigative needs. Education and training paths are also an essential part of the journey. We'll guide you through the maze of courses, certifications, and degrees that can bolster your career as a private investigator. As we move forward, we'll discuss the ins and outs of employee contracts. This often overlooked aspect can make or break your career, so it's vital to understand it thoroughly. Lastly, we'll touch on areas where training is necessary. From honing your observation skills to mastering the art of disguise, these areas will set you apart from the rest. In this journey, you'll also unlock the truth about your authority as a private investigator. Understand the real use of private investigators, identify the red flags of a bad company, and discover the various career paths in investigation. In summation, this video is your first step into the exciting world of private investigation. It's a world that requires sharp wits, keen observation, and a relentless pursuit of truth. So prepare to step into a world where every day is a new mystery waiting to be solved. Follow the white rabbit.